So good morning, here's my outfit for today. I just filmed and this is my outfit for going out, like with these shoes. These shoes I just got on YesStyle, and actually I saw a girl wearing like an outfit that's similar to this style and it just really inspired me. Yeah, this is also from YesStyle, so my whole outfit's from YesStyle, and this jacket is thrifted. At Boiling Crab we have shrimp. And here we have snow crab and this one's sausage. We just got the crawfish here, the mussels.
Let's go full out, yeah? Let's go! Let's go!
Hey yo!
Bro, you look like a white Power Ranger.
This one's Spuff? He beat me. I'm making these like sweet potato noodles right now. Okay, so this is what I did yesterday too. I just took the rice paper and then put it in the water, and I don't have a bowl that's big enough, so I kind of just have to like twirl it around. Cilantro, the noodles, tofu, chicken, and lettuce. So here's what they look like, and I'm just eating it with almond butter. The first one looks the best because I don't have tofu in it, so like this one's like a really odd shape, and I'm gonna show you that I touched up my hair yesterday, so it's freshly gray. Thought it'd be a nice day today. I'm gonna show you an outfit of the day. Again, my hair is more gray. I am wearing this, and I got this at YesStyle. And these shorts I also got online. I actually love this outfit. Good morning. So today I'm going to go to a conference, and it's a 2-day conference, and it's basically for my Mesa engineering program, and you just meet employers, students, there's workshops and all that fun stuff. Here's going to be today's outfit. It's like super simple. I just have this gray turtleneck and then these slacks. We arrived in our hotel.